use Google Hangouts. The first thing you need to know is that it is best if you have a Google account. So once you have your Google account, you're going to go to hangouts.google.com, and I've got it right here. It shows you right here on a Google search. Once you click on that, you're going to go to a screen that looks like this. See, it says, "Hi Dan, get started by calling or messaging." Up in the corner, you can see my Google account and boxes here. You're going to click on video call, and you're going to get a screen, and you'll see your picture show up. I'm going to use copy link to share. Once I copy that link to share, I then will go to my email and send that out to my life group and invite them through that link to Google Hangout for our life group lesson. So the few things for you to know about the page of Google. This, where my mouse is down here, can turn the microphone off or on so that those that are watching can mute the microphone when you click on it. The middle one, we don't want to click on that right now, ends our call. And then this third one to the right hides my picture so that you don't have to look at my face. So that brings it back. Then at the top right, we have where I can add or invite other people. The settings, which involves the video settings, the microphone settings, and the speaker settings. And then the last one, maybe the most important, especially for the leader, is where you can share a screen. So if I want to share, I click on Share Screen. I'm going to click here. Now I can go to Applications, which allows me to use even Word and other things. But if I go back to Entire Screen, click on here, you'll see the blue line around it. I click Share. So I'm going to go back to my web browser and I'm going to pull up my presentation. And now I am sharing my lesson that I was going to do last week. So when I'm ready to stop sharing, I'll go back to Google Hangouts on my tab. And I'm going to click Stop Sharing, and that will send me back to my picture. So when other people join, when the class members join, their pictures will be down at the bottom. They can hide their picture, and then you can have conversations. People can talk, people can interact, and that's a quick tutorial on Google Hangouts.